welcome back. Today we're going to do a car cleaning video because my car needs to be vacuumed and cleaned out and needs a car wash. I know it's like gloomy weather, but I don't think I'm going to be able to do this for a couple more weeks, and I just want to get it done because I got to be able to put my new tags on the car and the outside needs to be washed. So we're going to go start with getting a car wash. I'm going to take a break and then we'll come back out and do like cleaning the surfaces, the windows, the vacuuming. It just needs to be done. And unfortunately, because I only drive like once a week, spiders keep building webs in here and it's driving me bonkers. So I'm hoping with the glass cleaner, because it's mint scented, that will deter them from being in here. So anyway, let's get going.
In my world, I don't worry, darling, but just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go, leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting, we can make it, because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing on all this. Waiting, 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 I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, 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 baby. Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense. But you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you, you said come right on over. I could not wait to show you. I cherish all your lines. And after all this time, feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing on all this. Waiting, 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 I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, 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 baby. You were turning me up and you were turning me on. You woke me up at the break of dawn. I told you, baby, I'm so far gone, but I was sneaking out and I was sneaking in, back into your room again. Oh, honey, please, can't you see what I see? That this is the way it should be. This is the way it should be. Taking, taking, baby.
Sometimes we shake a little, sometimes we let it all out. Or if we made a little, bet we would figure it out. Let a man named go. Oh, mistouch turns cold. 'Cause you got 20/20 and I don't see it straight. Pictures of white picket fences on a pearly lake. You know it's gonna be a while. So why you in a rush to
my car is cleaned and dog hair's been kind of removed. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me as I clean my car, and as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.
Treat me like an